The DNA of Measurement Solutions is metrology, founded 27 years ago to sell and support CMM installations. That is the DNA. Further to that now, with the UCAS accreditation for CMM retrofits and new CMM installs, I think we'll always come back to that being our DNA. With scanning most recently in career form over the last 15-20 years, that's really grown, and naturally with scanning that takes us into kind of crossover applications. So inspection is one area, but very heavily involved now in kind of CAD and design applications. We relocated Silverstone 2 years ago now, originally from Peterborough and Derby. We still have the Derby facility. The facility itself is it's steeped in history in Silverstone. It was the original dairy farm for Silverstone when Silverstone was a village. With that, we deliberately picked a building and a setting that would allow customers to come here, relax, enjoy a nice lunch, look out over the fields, and essentially learn whilst they're away from their everyday working environment. Silverstone was all about serving our ever-growing customer install base in Motorsport Valley, significantly with career for multiple installations in Formula One. And with Formula One, it's so demanding that being local with local support, consumable items being ready on site was a huge driver in that. The new premises are definitely there to support customers. The local calibration is a huge part of that. With this building as well, we've been able to relocate our automated inspection cell from Derby, which means any customer now having training here gets to see how we program robots, how that application can speed up inspection. And with that, we've also then further invested in some more FANUC machines for cobot human-friendly inspection processes. So it's all about expanding knowledge whilst customers are here.